Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal fufu, only way. Start by measuring oats and water, then heat gently while stirring. Use a blender or mortar to achieve a smooth, elastic texture, adjusting water for firmness. Taste and season the fufu lightly if desired, then shape into balls or mounds. Pair with your favorite soup or stew and enjoy a simple, comforting meal. Measure 1 cup of rolled oats to 2 cups of water for a medium firmness, then warm the water to just below boiling. Slowly whisk in oats while heating to avoid lumps and maintain control. Transfer to a blender for a few pulses to create a stretchy consistency if needed. Return to the pan to thicken gently, stirring continuously until it holds shape and looks glossy and elastic. Begin by toasting oats for 1 to 2 minutes if you like a deeper flavor, then add warmed water and stir continuously. Reduce heat and simmer while whisking until soft and cohesive, about 5 to 10 minutes. For silkier fufu, blend briefly and return to the pot to thicken. Test by forming a small ball. It should be elastic and hold together without crumbling or feeling gluey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.